Hello to my little children. Welcome to another episode with us at DP Kids. Now it's December, so are you getting ready for Christmas? I hope you all are because we have something special ready for you. We have lots and lots of Christmas decorations and Christmas craft for you. So when you say Christmas, who do you remember first? The Santa Claus. He's called the Happy Santa. So we are going to make him now. Now take a piece of paper like this, which is white and red on the two sides, and then fold it in like this for about 1 centimeter. Now turn it around and then fold it in half like this. Okay, now open it up, and this edge comes to the middle line. Same on the other side. Now keep your hand like this and bring this edge again to the middle line. If you don't keep your fingers like this, it'll be a bit untidy, so make sure you keep your hands and put pressure on it. Then do the same thing on the other side. The two middle lines should be aligning with each other now. Okay, so imagine that you are dividing this into 3 pieces, okay, like that. Now we need 1/3 for the folding, okay. Just turn it around first and then fold it upwards like this, so that the hat is there and the hands have come up. Then turn it around and then push these in, and then keep a little space and then fold it again towards the front. Push it in, keep some space and fold it back towards the front. Now to make the hat look nicer, now turn it around. See, our Santa is almost complete. Now let's give him some eyes and a nose and mouth. He's a bit old, isn't he? So he has a bushy eyebrow. And he's smiling. Remember, he's the Happy Santa. And then give him a little beard like this. Now we can add a little piece like this to the top of Santa's hat. Isn't it easy to make? I know my children will enjoy making this decoration in your house and hang it up wherever you feel fit. Then I'll meet you again with another video like this. I will see you soon. Goodbye.